Okay, so hi, dear Cancer. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tara Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 25th till the 31st of August. Roles can be reversed also. And if this is not resonating, this is not your story at all. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Cancer, let's start with the overall energy, mutual energy for the connection for you guys. We have the Hermit, the Tower, and the King of Pentacles. It's like somebody breaking their silence. Wow. So things were silent, and you guys were trying to be very, very wise, very, very mature, and grounded in the situation. Maybe both of you were not talking too much about it, or maybe both of you were trying to be very, very mature about it. Like, okay, what's the use of talking, or what's the use of saying, or what's the use of creating fuss, or uh, creating any kind of drama in the situation. That's why you got both of you were kind of silent in the situation, because both of you were trying to be very, very practical, grounded. See, I don't think both of you were trying to figure it out together or trying to make things happen in the situation. But in fact, both of you were individually trying your best to individually handle your own lives, because it seems like a practical idea, and this is how you guys should handle these kind of situations. That was the idea. Hmm. Cool. So after a period of silence, maybe you guys spoke to each other, or maybe you guys felt like, okay, let's talk about it, and you guys took a very practical and grounded and mature kind of decision in the situation, both of you, keeping in mind that this is the truth and this is how it should be. This is how it should go. Sorry, I just woke up, so my voice is going to be a little bit um, cold, like manly. So the mutual energy is breaking the silence and bringing some kind of very mature and grounded kind of energy back in the situation. I don't see this is something like a full-fledged reconnection or relationship or something. It's like, okay, we both are mature enough to handle these kind of situations in a practical and logical way. I don't know what you guys are doing. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cancer. Nine of Cups. So this person feels like you are their wish fulfillment, or you are some kind of a desire to them. You really makes them happy. Okay. You are my sunshine. I love, love, love that song. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups here. Okay, guys, any one of you is a good neurologist or know a good neurologist in your city who can take a online session, can comment in the comment section with the details of the doctor. Maybe that will help a lot. My doctor told me to connect with a neurologist. Okay, there's no like big issue, but just a opinion of a good doctor will help me. So the Fool card, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Seven of Pentacles. So this person is feeling like they should not do anything foolish in order to achieve their desire, in order to have their wish fulfillment. They feel like with time things are going to change, and they should just wait and watch, and everything is going to be fine. Either it's going to evolve properly, and or it's going to dissolve properly. Just because they have this fulfillment kind of desire kind of a thing, they should not do anything stupid in this direction. They should just wait for the right time. They should just calm down their horses, and whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually, right? Cool. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Page of Cups. From your side, you feel like you are open to the idea of giving it another shot with love and compassion, but not fully invested kind of a deal. Okay, let's clarify this. Maybe you feel like keeping the communication going or keeping the situation going as a friend or something. I don't see a full fledged kind of relationship kind of deal right now. Where is the card, honey? We have the Ace of Wands in reverse for you guys, and the Sun card, Four of Cups. See, you feel like keeping things as crystal clear as you guys can from your side in order to maintain a cordial kind of connection between you and this particular person. You feel like if you are going to give them hopes or they are going to give you hopes, this is bound to fail between you guys. This is going to lead to ultimate disappointment in the future if you are not going to create a boundary, or if you are not going to be crystal clear about it from both the sides. This is what you feel. You feel like, okay, the passion is not there anymore. That passion of a lover kind of a thing is not there anymore. Although you are open to the idea of a friendship kind of a deal, or having a cordial kind of relationship, or maybe keeping the gates of communication open, but this is going to be a disaster, so you don't feel like giving it too much time and energy. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? I know it irritates you guys when I have cold or cough, but trust me, it's not in my hands. I am under the weather and I have asthma, and no matter how much I control this, sometimes it happens, and especially when I woke up freshly. The Tower it is. So let me clarify this Tower before jumping into any kind of conclusion. Mhm. Don't jump into conclusions too quickly. If any one of you is doing that, don't do that. Okay, let's clarify the Tower. We have the Six of Swords, the Emperor, and the Ten of Cups. Yeah, see, their intention here is to keep moving forward, finding their own peace, finding their own happiness, and they want to take the charge of their life in their own hands. Basically, this person wants to be very, very practical and logical, and they want to move towards something or someone that's going to give them the happily ever after kind of a deal on the table. You know, it's like both of you know for some weird reason that this is never going to work out between you guys, and both of you are very practical and logical about it. And this person definitely wants to move forward. They don't want to look back or cry or sulk or cry over spilled milk or something. They want to take the charge of their life in their own hands, and this is like sudden kind of expectation. Like they want to make it happen very quickly. Like they want to jump into this energy of finding their happily ever after, like tomorrow. Yeah. From your side, we have the Ace of Pentacles. You, however, want to have a brand new beginning in a very practical way regarding your finances, money, job, career, or you want to create something very, very stable and meaningful for yourself. And you are ready to put in the effort and energy into something new, an investment also, whether investment of resources or energy or money. For most of you, you might be very much connected to your money energy, financial energies right now, not very focused on the relationship energy. Okay, let's clarify this Ace of Pentacles here. I need chai. Chai. I should be a chai vendor or something. I love chai so much. If by any chance I come to your place, bring me a lot of chai. Knight of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. You want to create those ways, those paths for the future direction of your life and your people, like people who are like literal family or family kind of dynamics, or your friends, to be there with you. Wow, you are giving very spiritual kind of energy, Cancer, where you're telling me that, see, I want to create paths, multiple paths, and I want to do it as passionately as I can, to create some kind of stable base for my family or people who are like family to me, uh, regarding money, finances, safety and security. Why it is giving me the vibe of a volunteering thing, or creating an NGO, or wanting to create something like that, that's going to help family or people to get some help from you, from your organization or something. Obviously it's not for you, not for every one of you, right? So you want to passionately create some kind of very stable, safe and secure environment regarding finances, and otherwise also for your family and people who are like family to you. This is what I'm getting finally. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 20, till the 31st of August, Cancer. Okay. King of Wands, it's like wearing your heart on your sleeves and doing something or starting to go in a particular direction with a lot of passion and fire. Let's clarify. The fire's in our heart. Beat it. I think I should suggest songs to every sign. Today your song is Beat It from Michael Jackson. Listen to it, dance on it, make it make it move you. Move your ass. The Hermit, the Nine of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. Wow. Okay, you are going to be like, your heart is going to tell you, let's do something stupid. We have never done anything stupid. Stupid means let's do something daring, not stupid like that, like hurting something or harming something or someone, and trying to act cool or something. No, let's do something that we have never tried. Then your wisdom and your knowledge that you have gathered till now, you are going to stop yourself. You are going to create strong boundaries for even those kind of energies to enter in your space. And then you are going to back to this energy of, okay, let me be very practical, mature and grounded with compassion, and let me handle things in a gentle and compassionate way, practical way, rather than being in this energy of, okay, let's do it, even if it is going to hurt or harm others. No. So it's basically creating a stable base for your future, getting very excited about it, and then realizing only excitement or just pure excitement is going to kill your goal, and then creating your boundaries regarding this goal of yours, that uh, nobody is going to enter in your space until unless they are going to be matching your vibes of maturity, stability and safety. Okay, what we have, just give me a second. Yes, it's like handling your future with a lot of care and practicality. Okay, for you the guidance is, I don't see a relationship factor being very what we call that, heavy on your mind or heavy in your energies right now. For you the guidance here is a Four of Swords. You're already doing that. I just have to remind you very gently that from time to time, keep on taking a break, keep on taking a step back, and understand each and everything that you are doing in your life with a logical and practical mind too, with a stable, compassionate kind of energy. Basically, it should be a stable balance of logic and emotions, and then moving forward, right? And from time to time, take a break, and take a step back and evaluate. your energies, your situation. Where are the angel romance cards? You are the first sign today that I'm doing the reading for, so things are little bit scattered. I just woke up and it was already 7 p.m. and I was like, oh my god, I have to do the readings. Sometimes I'm a drama queen. We have the trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith in yourself, in the process, in the universe, that whatever is happening for your highest good, and whatever is going to happen next is actually the path that you should follow. So basically, trust the process, trust the path, and trust the divine, and you're good to go. And keep on taking the break from time to time. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.